changing or deleting music from Instagram post. So, can we do that? Let's see. So, let us post something. So, go to your gallery and click any one of your photo. Okay, let me select this one and tap on next. Tap on next. Here you can find the music and I can go for this and click on done. Tap on next. Here you can tag people, add location, and you can change your audience. Also, you can share on Facebook, whether whatever that can be, and click on share. And it is finishing up. Now I go into my profile, and this is what I have shared right now. So I click on top three dots. I can find edit over here. So now in this photo, I can tag people, I can type text, I can add location, I can label it, I can add collaborators, I can do whatever I can, but still I can't change or delete music because that does not allowed by the Instagram. So you can't change or delete music, or even you can't add music to the post after posting it. So this is how you can edit and you can change. So absolutely answer is no. So this is the thing. Thank you.